How to set up Authy app. If you wish to set up Authy app, it is fairly simple to do so. So first, download the Authy app, Twilio Authy or however it is recommended. Then simply enter your country code and choose your phone number over there, right? So I'll just go ahead and enter my phone number. And here it's going to ask me to use an email address. So I can simply choose one of the email addresses. It's going to send a verification code to my email. So what I'm going to do is I'll just wait until I've received the verification code. And you can see I've received the code right here. I'll just copy the code and I'll come back and I'll make sure to paste it here. Once I've verified my email address as well, by the way, I'm setting this up for the first time like you guys as well. So I can also receive one of the following methods to get your verification code. I'll select receive messages. It will send a verification code on the phone number as well. So if phone verification couldn't be created, what we can do is we can get a voice call option. So I can select setting up your call. It's going to send a voice code and we can answer the incoming call and enter the verification code. So what we're going to do is I'll just hear the verification code out loud in this case. So once I've confirmed the verification code as it is going to announce in the call like this, I can just end the call like that and I can just allow the permissions to receive notifications or whatever else it is that it requires in this case. Once everything is done setting up, then what I can do is I can see my Authy app has been successfully set up, and of course I can choose to receive all sort of verification and add another type of verifications over here. So this way I can go ahead and then set up Authy app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.